You say I'm Hubble? I am a very friendly, outgoing kitty at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Oh, and I love attention. Yes, you're so cute. You're quite a talker. Well, no, we don't need to quite get that close, Hubble. Yes, I hear you. You get lost, huh? Well, I'm sorry for that, Hubble, but that's going to be somebody else's good fortune. What? Oh, you're going to show off that beautiful bed that you've got now, huh? Yes. You're welcome. You are a sweetheart. Whoa, I see fur flying. Okay, I'll let you chow down. Bye, Hubble. You're so cute. What a fabulous cat. You're such a good girl. Bye, Hubble.